Homeowners, what are the top 5 best home renovations that you can do now with a future resale in mind?
Hi, we're John and Claire.Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. As a homeowner looking to sell, you may be wondering what home improvements that you can do to maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's take a look.
The first thing is you can paint, and what paint color should you use? It's one of the most basic and appealing ways to update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it's always best to go with neutrals.
Now let's talk about curb appeal. We all know making a first impression is key. It's all about creating an inviting and visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone passing by. That's why it is so important to have the exterior of your home updated with lighting, planting, and landscaping. All these improvements help to elevate your curb appeal.
Then comes ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial to ensure that the value of your home stays high. If you're unwilling to take on the repairs yourself, hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards, not only when you live there, but also when you go to market.
Let's talk about kitchens and bathrooms. Although these two spaces can get really costly to renovate, they are often the first areas that buyers critique and scrutinize when they're buying a home. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. Simple things like updating the cabinets or the appliances or adding new fixtures can add value.
Scents. If your home smells, that's a problem. Make sure that your home passes the smell test. Nobody likes a smelly home. Make sure your carpets stay cleaned and maintained. No exterior garbage or anything that could create odors. And please reach out to us to help assist you and guide you through the ever-changing market.
We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers. We love guiding you home.